Dzine has just launched a powerful new tool that makes it easy to create images with multiple consistent characters. Now, you can train multiple characters and seamlessly add them to your images in just a few simple steps, ensuring a cohesive look across all your designs. If you're new to Dzine, check out the link in the video description for a quick tutorial. To get started, go to Dzine.ai and create a new project. Select your desired aspect ratio. This will set the default canvas size, but you can still create images in other ratios within the project. Give your project a name. On the left sidebar, click on Character. Here, you'll find the 3 tools we'll be using in this video. We'll start by creating a character sheet, but if you already have images of your character, you can skip this step. To choose a style, click here. Dzine offers a variety of great styles, but I'll be using the 3D render style. Next, enter your character's description. Be as detailed as possible, including their physical appearance and clothing. For the best results, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 to generate as many poses as possible. I'll select the normal generation mode for high-quality images. Once you're ready, click Generate. As you can see, this will cost 4 credits. The results will appear in the right sidebar. When they're ready, hover over an image to view it. Now, you have the option to build a character from the sheet. You can also create variations to explore different versions or enhance and upscale the image. I'll go ahead and build a character from the first sheet. Give your character a name, then click Train. While it estimates 30-40 minutes in my experience, it's usually much faster. Since you can only train one model at a time, you can use this waiting period to create character sheets for any other characters you plan to train, just like I did with these characters. If you already have images of your character, go to Character, then select Consistent Character. Click Choose a Character, then New Character. Enter a name and upload your images. You can add up to 30. If you need guidance on preparing your images, click here to access the help documentation. Once all your characters are trained, you're ready to start creating images with them. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is to generate an image featuring a single character. To do this, go back to the Consistent Character tool. Click Choose a Character and select the one you want to use. Dzine automatically generates a description for your character. Below that, enter your prompt, specifying what you want the character to do and describing the scene. Be sure to reference your character by the name you assign to it. Here are the results. They look great. However, I noticed that Leo is missing his red bandana, even though it's included in his character sheet. To fix this, I'll update his description to explicitly mention the red bandana and generate the images again. This time, he's wearing it. If you run into similar issues, you may need to adjust the automatically generated character description to be more specific. If you ever need the auto-generated description, click the Restore button. Now, it's time to add our second character. Next to Insert Character, choose the desired image. Once the image is placed on the canvas, it's time to select an area where you want to insert the character. You can use the lasso, brush, or auto tool to define the area. When selecting the area, ensure it's approximately the same size as your character for the best result. If you make a mistake, simply click the Clear All button. Next, choose a character and enter a prompt. I'll add Tasha and describe her clutching her notebook. Once everything is set, click Generate. This tool costs 8 credits, so hopefully we get great results on the first try. You'll receive 4 images to choose from. You can use any of them or regenerate if none meet your expectations. I like the first one, so I'll place it on the canvas by double-clicking it. Be sure to do this step before inserting the next character. Now let's add our final character. Go back, choose Insert Character, then repeat the process. I really like these images, but Benji's expression doesn't quite fit the scene. It's an easy fix. I'll adjust the prompt to make him look scared. While some of the images still show him looking happy, the first and last ones capture the scared expression better. When generating your images, be sure to adjust facial expressions and emotions in your prompts when needed. The second method for adding multiple consistent characters is to start with any image of a scene and then add your characters. This approach is great for maintaining a consistent background across multiple images. I'll use this image I created in Dzine, but you can choose any image you like. Select an area just like before. Choose a character and enter a prompt. Also, remember to modify the character description if needed. Notice that the AI understood that Leo's back should be facing the camera, even though I didn't explicitly mention it in the prompt, except for the first image. Once that's set, just add the rest of the characters in the same way. You can easily change your character's clothing, hairstyle, and more by adjusting the character description. For this example, I'll add a safari hat to Leo and have him riding an elephant in the jungle. He looks the same, but now he's wearing the hat. Dzine also offers an AI editor to help you make changes to your images. For example, I like this image, but there's a strange figure in the background. To fix that, go to the AI editor in the sidebar and select the AI eraser. This time, let's use the brush tool. And after a few seconds, the strange figure is removed. Once you have all your images, you can turn them into a children's book using Canva, as shown in this tutorial, or even create a video. Dzine offers an AI video tool with 5 generators, but it's only available for creator and master accounts. Since I don't have any video credits left and don't want to buy more, I can visit Kling's website to generate the video. But first I need to download the image. I can upscale the image up to 4 times and it'll cost a certain amount of credits. Now we're on Kling's website with the image uploaded. Make sure the Frames tab is selected. Then enter the prompt. I'll keep it simple and have them look at the fire and each other. If you don't have a paid account, it might take up to 3 hours to generate one video. Or try HailuoAIFree.com, which lets you generate videos for free, just the time it takes to watch a short ad. I made a video about this tool, so check it out if you haven't already. If you're considering a Dzine subscription, here are the available pricing plans. And if you're a student or teacher, you can enjoy an amazing 70% discount on the beginner and creator tiers. Definitely a great offer. Overall, I'm really impressed with this tool. It not only maintained consistency in the character's face and clothing, but the entire process was intuitive and straightforward. No complicated steps involved. Dzine has truly raised the bar with this one. But I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if you'd like to see more Dzine tutorials, let me know. There are plenty of other amazing features that I didn't cover in this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.